What is going on today, guys, and welcome to another stream do-it-yourself video. Well, we're gonna discuss how to make a Twitch logo a better way. So our previous way was kind of sketchy. You could, if someone uploaded a video or a picture, a PNG photo that was not actually protected and that they didn't have the rights to actually upload it, then you could be on the hook. So this is actually an updated video of for $15. For $15, you will have a month worth of design. So we're just gonna cover logos, but they got literally everything from banners to Twitch panels to everything, but we're gonna discuss logos and how to do it real quick. And now this doesn't actually have to be just a gaming page, it could be any page at all. Really, it's just gaming has seemed to be what it's kind of more geared towards. So let's get on into it, and I will show you how to do this. Remember, if you do like this video, remember to check me out on my Twitch, which is linked down in the description below. So let's get right on into it here. So we're gonna just do it for the clan, K-Red clan. We're gonna hit next. We're in the gaming industry. We're gonna hit let's go. Again, there's a whole bunch of different industries that you could choose. You could choose restaurants, you could choose whatever you wanted. We're gonna do gaming. It does take a second to load up because it's bringing up a whole bunch of different things. So as you can see, we're already looking pretty good. Well, we can actually make this more customized to ourselves. So let's change the color. Some of them are flipped around, so you're gonna have to play around with the coloring that you like, but we're gonna go gray and red. And we're gonna let's type in Mafia. So once again, very easy. It does it all, and after you pay your subscription to place it is completely free for you to use no matter what. So we actually don't overly like how that actually looks, so we're gonna pick something else real quick here. Let's see what they got for a giant K. We kind of dig that. Maybe. Depends how it actually looks. Actually, yeah, that actually looks kind of cool. So then from there, after you have your name, whoops, sorry guys, your name and your image on there exactly how you want it, you will now see a bunch of different designs. These are logo designs that are preloaded on here that will explain kind of what everything is, or not explain it, but show you what everything is. So all of them are just kind of a little bit different. Like as you can see, this one's kind of got a gray border going all the way around. This one doesn't. Don't worry about fonts because you can choose different fonts in there. Different ones are slanted or arched or whatever. So it's actually pretty simple to get a very customized one depending on how you want it. So we're just gonna go ahead and click any old one here. Trying to see which one we dig more. We kind of like this one more because it just says K-Red Clan. We're not gonna have to edit it, but again, if we wanted to edit whatever, the different color, if we're like, oh yeah, I don't want gray, I want black. Actually, that does kind of look cooler. Or let's say I don't want black, I want white. As you can see, you can really customize it to be completely whatever you want, including the font as well. We're not going to change the font because we kind of dig that one. and you completely customize it to however you're liking, and you just hit download. If you're already signed in, it'll download right then and there for you, and it'll actually email it, or not right then and there, but it'll start the download, it'll download it, and then it'll send it to your email, where you can then download it to your computer, or you can download it right from the website as well. Again, this was how to make a Twitch logo. Very, very fast, very easy, for under $15. So until next time, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope to see you not only during our next video, but during our next stream. Take her easy. Peace.